my Temu pick of the day. Check this out. It's super cute. I'm not going anywhere. I just came from Walmart. और आज मैंने सिर्फ Wednesdays ko I pick up the kids from school. They'll stay with me. So I'm going to pick them up. I went to Walmart like this. And ये मैंने Temu से लिया and it's super, super cute. मेरी हर चीज़ loose होती है because I like wearing baggy things. लेकिन इतना comfortable, इतना soft. And it cost me around, I think this, it's super cute. And it cost me, I think between $25 to $30. But it's super cute, it's my kind, and I paired it with my Lululemon sweatpants. And you can make it smaller or whatever, tie it up anywhere you like. But guys, मेरा मकसद सिर्फ अपनी high-end चीज़ों के साथ टीमू का दिखाने का ये है कि don't get sucked in that cycle of high-end, because मैं उसमें थी, मैं पूरी ज़िंदगी उसमें रही हूँ, ठीक है? अब I have seen that कि मैंने बहुत देर से realize कर लिया 3-4 साल से कि you wear what you want, if you can carry it, that's it. I don't care if I can carry it or not, सच्ची बात है, लेकिन I love Temu का stuff. I have no shame in telling people that I got it from there because it is super cute and super, super soft. So if I find the link, I'll attach it to it, and do give their things a try. Really, they look super cute. Stay safe.